So today my outfit is blue themed. Oh, wait. Welcome to the last 30 days vlogs. The road I have to walk down to get to my school is one way. So pretty much any car that goes by has to share the road with pedestrians. I missed it. I missed the bell. I missed the first bell and I can see the school. Man. So I made a bunch of worksheets yesterday and then I came in today and was told that one of them is just like the sentences are too long for the students and it's too hard. Guess who has to redo it?
La última, el último. Ya nada más. Para saber qué se trata de porque no entienden ustedes todo lo que ahora vamos. Diapositivas.
I'm off to get a juice box. Oh, gravando video. Oh man. And then all my other stuff goes in the other one.
Yeah. Just try to get those two big ones in order that you're not going to open nothing yet. Okay. Okay, Marisa, you're right. Bye.
No, you're just saying that so I stop talking. I
You told me too much. You want me here?
know this. We're trying to record Ramona. Ramona. How can you do that?
Hola Marisa.
Hola. Hola, pero. Hola. Hola. Espera. That dog is me.
Ya. Avisa cualquier cosa, ¿no? Y todavía te faltó otro para mañana. Tómate.
I just watched this really funny Ellen video called Hey Hola, called Ellen Battle of the Gays. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. It is one of the funniest interviews I've ever seen. Hola.
¿Qué me dijeron que Marisa?
¿Qué fue?
Walking back to the house is maybe like an hour later. Quiz did not go well. 8 out of 21.